There was a small, peaceful town in the American West. It had everything: houses, shops, a school, a church, and even a sheriff's office. People lived happily. There were ranchers, shopkeepers, and workers. Travelers often came on stagecoaches to do business. Everyone knew the town as the safest place in the region. People in Texas and Arizona heard about its peace. But one morning, the sheriff received a letter from a rider. The letter came from a dangerous man, a bandit leader. He wrote, "Soon, my gang will attack your town. We will take your gold, your cattle, and your beautiful young women." After reading the letter, the sheriff called a town meeting. People were shocked and scared. "How will we stop the bandits?" someone asked. "We are just simple people," said another. The marshal and deputies said they would protect the town, but they needed help. There were only a few of them, and the bandits were many. Fear spread across the town. Shops closed early. Parents kept children inside. The town was not happy anymore. On the same day, 2 young bounty hunters rode into town. Their names were Jack and Luke. They were brave and strong. They came to hunt wild animals, but they heard people whispering, "The bandits are coming. We are in danger." Jack and Luke spoke with the marshal. They said, "We want to help your town. We will fight with you." The marshal and the sheriff were happy. So were the people. They gave the 2 friends jobs as defenders of the town. Jack and Luke started training the townspeople. They taught the farmers how to use rifles. They showed the shopkeepers how to defend their homes. Women and men trained side by side. Children learned to stay safe. At the same time, Jack and Luke met 2 beautiful young women. Jack fell in love with Emily, the schoolteacher. Luke fell in love with Rosa, the doctor's daughter. The town slowly became stronger and more hopeful. One day, a watcher on a tall hill saw something. He rode fast into town. "They are coming," he shouted. "The bandits are close. Maybe just 2 days away." The sheriff gave the final orders. The town built strong fences. Women and children hid in safe places. Everyone got ready for battle. Jack and Luke held hands with their loved ones. They promised, "We will protect you. We will protect the town." The sun was rising when the bandits came. There were over 20 of them. They had guns and shouted loudly. But the town was ready. Gunfire broke out. Jack, Luke, the sheriff, and the townspeople fought bravely. The battle lasted for hours. Dust and smoke filled the air. One by one, the bandits were defeated. At last, the bandit leader was shot by Jack. Peace returned, but not without loss. Some people from the town had died too. After the battle, people cried for those they lost. But they also smiled, because they had saved their home. The town held a big dinner to thank Jack and Luke. Soon, Jack married Emily. Luke married Rosa. Everyone celebrated with music, food, and dancing. Jack and Luke stayed in the town forever. With help from the townspeople, they built their own ranches. They raised cattle, had children, and lived peacefully. The town that was once afraid was now full of joy again. People said, "We will never forget the day 2 strangers came and became our heroes."